3 women don't find out say they date the same man. Trouble in paradise. Now know that thing where girls always they do. When they want they showcase, say, now this one are the dates, or my boyfriend fine pass your boyfriend, all those kind of things. Now, so one of these ladies can say, okay, me she celebrate her man, her relationship. You understand? He can't put time for Twitter. Now, so as he put time, he can't write, say, we met on Twitter. The second one, where they date the same guy, can't put the same, under the same caption. No. Now, so he go reply and say, so did we. Meaning, say, them two, they meet for Twitter. The third one, all right, say us too. Now, wow, wahala everywhere. Government wahala, in social media wahala. In fact, nothing way. I they find the thing way no they give us wahala. Anyhow, I don't find an me. I know they give people wahala. Me, stress free. Now why you know? I cannot start before I go say I feel myself. I dey understand. I bet make una start dey post una partners for this thing now, so that later now you no go find out say your woman gets you understand another. Una understand what I dey talk? If you dey date, whether you be man, whether you be woman, start dey post your partner picture. Make we know now. So that go help una now. Not the one way tomorrow now go disturb my phone. Madam Aproko is cheating on me. He's doing this. Time still day. How many days to Valentine? At least make the breakup start. So that Valentine's Day no go to paying you. By then you go down. You understand? Me I dey here to help una. Now make I not talk. I beg. Anybody where they tell you say, keep your relationship private. I agree. Me personally, I know they like make my things they go everywhere. You understand? I don't like them. But some things they necessary. Not every day, but at least you know once in a while. Even if not once in 4 months. Make people specific message you now contact you say, is that your boyfriend? I saw him with. At least from that one you go they know. Not any man will tell you, baby, let's keep it private. Baby, let's do this. Check that man. Check that man. At least once your boyfriend supposed bring you outside, even if not once. Now don't they date for 4 years yet? Not even the door in his room self does not even know that you are his girlfriend. Not to talk of friends, not to talk. At least one of his friends self must be aware. Say okay, oh, now this thing they happen. Now just they there. Start you. They use una where they want use una. They drop una when they want drop una. And una they balance. Una don't even know where the relationship self they go. For incasity reasons, so post them. Post them. See, you don't need wait for a birthday. Just post. We delay. We the ladies will understand. You understand? May no come be say, Madam Aproko don't even go on dinner dates with person boyfriend. I bet before I go come beat me. So post time make I know now. Now why not they like all this internet relationship, social media relationship? You go the date person online. You never see person. You know whether they married. You don't know whether they even relationship. Una go just they date. So people even go invest all their emotions. They get hope. Say, baby, I'll marry you. I'm coming to Africa. Una two day there. Make una open una eyes. And the thing say, where I even notice for this matter, say, where even they pay me, say, the guy no even respect them. How you go snap? Imagine you they date 3 women at the same time. You snap with me with purple shirt. You go snap with Angela with the same purple shirt. What did they try tell us? I beg my sisters. No be say men don't scarce. I know they see really reason why person go they date. Men never finish. I know say they write down for the Bible say time will come where 5 women they fight for 1 man. I bet the time never reach. The time never reach. When it reach, we go know. Find yourself a man. Before later now you go come they get heart attack. Now some girls don't even mind though. They no send. Even if they no see you already get like 3. Like they know say they cheat sef, they go still come add their body join. Things are hard, my people. Especially if you can't get money, they don't care. Just be supporting them on their own. You can do whatever you want to do. What kind of love is that? All of una wey they date, please, they sure say na only one the person they date. Say na you. You understand? Make sure. I know they advise una make una check phones. Some people go they tell una, hey, check his phone. That way, it's privacy. But if something happen where you understand by mistake, see, God they work in mysterious ways. Now, so one day you could just find out by yourself, but not deliberately carry your partner phone. You know, good. Oh God, the top. Now you they reign now. 3 women, only you 3. Hey, some people want to be like you when they grow up. You understand? Some of una now, you know they celebrate the guys because now man, now they celebrate another. See, I beg. Assuming this thing will happen now woman, una go they call the woman Ashawo, una go they give her names. Now because now man, una they even encourage her, una they give her thumbs up, say well done, well done, well done. Make una continue. And for una, 3 of una, I don't know whether una plan am, but please, I no want hear pim tomorrow. Say this one, don't go fight this one. I no want hear because as it is now, they aware. You understand? You know, see, as they introduce themselves, we met on Twitter, we too, us too. They know. Make una continue like that too. I know why here say person break person head because I no get time to start the solve relationship matter. We get Buhari here where we dey tackle. My people, now the matter be this so very serious one at that. And now they shorting now because of Valentine. Everybody now they look for partner by fire by thunder. I better drop your comment for the comment section. I want to know what you think concerning these people. Whether na 3 some, I will call them, I be 6 some. I beg, drop her for the comment section. I go reply on her. Trust me. And make sure say una share this video. Make everybody know what they happen now. And subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you go to miss everything when we drop here. Don't go far. I'll see you later. They don't hospitalize person all in the name of bribery and corruption. Nigerian police people, they harass this man. If you not see how this guy they bleed, all in the name of give me bribe, and they know they hide them. Give me bribe. Now so the guy when they tell them say, officers, I don't have. On top of money, can't see wahala inside main road. My people, for now when you know what they happen now, don't bring and come on a side. You understand? So join me, make we watch the video.
Nothing. Yes. Yes. Nothing. Shoot. They are several away. Yes, they are harassing us. Today is our game introduction. Nothing was found in our car. And you this time we go to station. Right. Forward. Okay. You don't finish. Yes. What did you do in our car? What did you do? I told you evidence. Oh. Okay. Yes, I'm videoing them. This is it.
Didn't like the things that what see blood. Would you
Hey, level of police brutality. It don't enter another corner. This one don't pass. This one don't pass. I make mistake. Which kind? I don't understand. Police people, wait when they burn anybody wey don't turn police today, they burn una with one kind madness on our body way now we don't even understand again. From frying pan to fire, now be this one. Imagine all the protests where people they protest, complain where people they complain. Still, una just watch this scene. See how person they bleed. On top of your money, say you no gree give bribe, you no gree give 500. Na problem. It be like say NSAS protest, we no do and way. We no do that protest way. We need re-strategize. So that these people go not say we mean business and we dey serious. Hey, Chineke. See wahala where government supposed tackle. No, see problem where government supposed tackle. This thing now, no be human life we dey talk about. Government. No, but una dey busy. Una dey busy, una dey think of Lekki toll gate, Lekki toll gate. Now this thing be problem for Nigeria now. No be Lekki toll gate when they think of. People they die. Imagine say this guy die now. Another matter we go dey talk now. And I just they pray say no die. I don't tire, my people. I don't tire. I don't tire. I dey wonder whether upon all the travel where politicians they travel, president they travel, they know they learn anything from white people, uniform people. They know they learn anything. Nigerian police training 0, character 0, everything 0. I don't know. Una no fit just say okay. See, just try small. Make life good for everybody. Because una see, una think say una dey suffer citizens. Una even dey suffer una self join. Una no know. You no go show now. Imagine. Even know say they video. Even now, even when they know say they video them, they no care. Why? Oga at the top don't give them go ahead to misbehave. So they don't even send you. If you like, video them. Instead of make you people to increase your instead of make una they increase your una begging skills, make una use that one do better thing. Government increase police salary, increase their salary. At least that one go reduce more problem. So that they go stop to the ask us for bribe. They go stop to they behave like beggars. I don't even feel differentiate police people and those people where they sit down for road where they beg. The only difference is where these ones they hold gun. All of una be beggars. Stop the see my people. Stop they call them police. Me, I know they say any police there. Because police people, it get how they behave. In fact, now police people say suppose they dash people money. Yes, because we're not supposed to chop money. They supposed to pay us better. I say pay us. Pay una better money. Now just they here. They miss you now. You go see them for road. You go wear their uniform. We oversize them. Some of them say don't they tear. So what a shame. Disgrace everywhere. Disgrace. Now wow. Salary. Government. No be laughing matter can't do here. Because if you treat these people well, at least they suppose see they go do this work well. You yourself you go happy say we get uniform people. Give their children free education. And waiting they call that thing life insurance. Imagine say police person no say if he die on duty, in family go collect 10 million. Just imagine. If you call them sharp, they don't come. But they know how the country be. So they know say, last. Now still the same result we will get. You understand? Now why did they do? See, now why did they do as they like? Because they don't care. They don't send you. See, I don't support them. Because this one why I don't talk now and I go they think say I dey on their side. I don't support them. But if you sit down where study this matter, you go see say government get hand for inside this police issue. All this fight where police they fight with citizens, government get hand for inside this thing. They get hand. Because now from them, they chop. You understand? So as government know they take care of them, they find another means. The only thing they say, they go about it the wrong way. Police people, if you want to beg. If you want to beg, don't use style. Don't be using gra and be collecting money. We will give you if you beg. Just say, bros, please, my family has not eaten and you know that the government is not paid. See, it is simple. We will give you. Not be today we dey help people. No, it's not about uniform people. You get many people where we see for road. We dey help them. Don't be by graga. You no go gain anything by doing that one. I dey tell you. Any police that harass una, make una no stress. No stress. Since they have refused to learn, you understand? No stress yourself. As they harass you, leave them. Just mark your face. I bet they go off duty. Be like saying that gun where they hold, always they make their eye not to see road. Una go soon leave that gun. Una they go off duty. Make una no forget. I not talk anything. No, I just you understand. For now, when know the code, una make una get them. It goes so red for una eye. Since una no one learn anything from the previous protest where we do, una go learn am by force. Me, I no go talk past this one. My people, I be waiting una think. I don't bring the matter here now. This guy, as I dey talk to una now, e dey hospital. The matter dey very serious. So I beg, just 1 minute of prayer. If you fit pray for am, make you no die. You understand? Make we stand for each other. E dey very important because this period things dey very, very rough. Yes, my people, na the matter be this, and I wan know wetin una think for the comment section. Make sure say you drop am there. I go reply una one by one. Share this video, make everybody know wetin dey happen, and don't go far. Love you. See you later.